Where there's a breeze, there's Awal. Bahrain, the pearl of the Gulf, the benchmark from which trade all began, a small island located in the heart of the Middle East. Awal Gulf came to life in 1993 as part of a strategic program of expansion of the room air conditioning business, Awalco. The company presently has a total workforce of 1,000 employees. These components are made from hot dip zinc galvanized sheets on CNC controlled automatic slitting and cutting line to cut into required sizes. Pre-cut sheets are pressed, formed into various shapes on power presses. Automatic CNC turret presses with 56 different tools work one piece to perform multiple operations. Sheet metal parts are coated with corrosion-resistant polyester powder on a completely automatic electrostatic powder coating line. Usage of inner grooved and small diameter copper tubes has always given an edge in designing high efficient and compact systems. Aluminium fins are stamped on fin presses with a variety of configurations and cutting edges. Copper tubes are cut and bent into a hairpin shape on automatic machines. End plates and hairpins are laced with fins to form the heat exchanger coils. Tubes are expanded on mechanical expander with mandrels forming mechanical